Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ruike P-848-B, which stands for black, here with me for a quick review and unboxing, of course. So in the box you're gonna find this little tag, some Chinese warranty, and some other leaflets to advertise some other products, I guess. And here we have the knife, which is a pretty interesting one, if I have to say. So this is a very inexpensive one, guys. It's gonna be around $50, something like that. It's made in China. It is a nice liner lock. Overall length of this guy is gonna be around 8 inches with a 4.5-inch long handle and a 3.5-inch long blade. It is a stainless steel liner lock, very interesting. G10 sculpted 3D kind of thing, scales. They have a little bit of texture going on, really cool. Nail nick only deployment method. It has a very cool drop point, 3.5-inch long, 14C28N blade. Really cool, with a kind of like of a bead blast finish and a flat grind. The sound this guy makes when you open is very gentle. When you close it, almost inaudible. And you can hear like that and like this. Very subtle sound indeed. The weight is gonna be 3.6 ounces. It has a deep carry stainless steel polished pocket clip with some billboarding going on right over there. Nice fit and finish overall. I mean, for the price, you can't really go wrong. But what is outstanding about this guy is the pivot system, because this guy is running on roller bearings, guys. And in fact, it's super smooth, like really smooth. In the hand, it feels great. There's no hot spots whatsoever. It's nicely done. I mean, I dig this one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and check the full-length review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.